Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing your profile avatar on PS4. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the dashboard of PS4, go up to the control panel and swipe to the right until you get to Settings and open them. In Settings, select Account Management. Next, select Account Information. On the next page, select Profile. In Profile Settings, select Avatar. You can choose your new avatar here. To make it easier to find one you want, use the categories on the left to filter them. Click on one to select it, and then choose Confirm to use that avatar on your profile. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more PlayStation tips and tricks.